About two concepts, prefix and postfix, the difference between plus plus x semicolon and x plus plus semicolon. There is a difference between these two. Let's go look at this simple program right here. In this simple program right here, we're going to say int x, assign to that one 0, and then take the x, add 1 to that one, which is 1 plus 0, put him in the x. It is similar if I'm going to use plus plus x. It means add 1 to the x and execute it right here. So x after this semicolon is 1. And if I'm running the output of this program, it's going to display me the value of the x is 1. Now let's go look at another scenario. This example similar to that one, but before, when the x is 0, I'm going to asking to display the x, and after display the x, which is 0, increment x by 1 and add 1 to the x. So in fact what it's going to do, it's going to display me as 0 before it incremented. Now let's look at this example again right here. This example, the first example, compare it with this example right here. This example right here, instead of putting plus plus x right here next to declaration of the x, what I do, just I'm going to concatenating that right here, open a parentheses, so we cannot put 3 plus after each other. All I'm going to do, I'm going to say compute whatever inside the parenthesis first, and then concatenate with the x is. So the current value of the x is 0. I'm going to asking to increment it before you display. Increment it. When you increment that one, you see this semicolon, execute it. So x, the content of the x is 1, and then you're going to display the x. In contrast to this example right here at the right hand side, you're going to see that we're going to say the same concept. We're going to first display the x, and when you display the x at this example, then increment it. So first display x and then increment it. So that's make it right here. When we have plus plus x, it means increment it first and then execute the statement. In this example, we mean execute the statement and increment the x. The same concept can be applied to the minus minus x or x minus minus. Same logic. Thanks.